Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will see how to make different type of cartoons with papers. So at first we are using an orange color paper to make a cartoon. You can see we have folded it and we have given it a diamond shape. Now we will fold it and we'll make the ears, and next we'll fold it from the bottom and we'll make the tail of the cartoon. Next we will make the face. As you can see, we have used a marker and we have made the cartoon. Now we'll make a fish with the same orange color paper. We will cut it as shown in the video. We have cutted it into different sizes, and now we'll paste both the ends. Now we'll paste the eyes and we'll make the tails and the wings of the fish. You can see we are using a heart shape paper to make the tail and the wings. This is ready now. Now we'll make a Pikachu with the paper. Of course we will use a yellow color paper to make the Pikachu. We have made the body with the paper by giving some folds to it and the ears. Now your Pikachu is ready. Now we are using a graphic paper which is plain from one side and have graphics on the other side, and we'll make a butterfly with it. You can see we have made the butterfly with the paper. Now we'll make the ears. Next we'll make a chocolate wrapper with the paper. We're using two color papers, which is blue from one side and yellow from the other side, and we have given some folds to give the shape. Next we will start folding the paper as shown in the video, and we will wrap it like a chocolate. You can see at first we'll do the one side and next the other side. We have done it and we have merged it, and you can draw the face also. Now we'll make a scale with a cute face. We are using a yellow color paper to make the scale. At first we'll make the face of the cartoon. We have made the ears, and now we'll make the scale with the marker, and you can see the Pikachu scale is ready. Now we are making an octopus with the paper. We have made a diamond shape with it, and after doing that we'll fold it as shown in the video. It is very easy to make. I know it's look difficult, but it is very easy, so you should try. So we have made the legs of the octopus by cutting it with the scissors, and now we will draw the face. So now again we are using a graphic paper and we are making a dragonfly. You can see one of them is kept on the table. We have given some folds to make the wings, and you can see the dragonfly is almost ready. Now we'll make, by using other paper, the body of the fly. Now we are using a neon color paper and we are making a cute cartoon which is kept on the table. It is very small. We have made the ears, and now we will draw some face on it. Now we will use a white color paper. You can use a tissue also, and we'll make a bunny face. You can see it was very easy to make. We have made the face. Thank you very much for watching the video.